Thank you, Pennsylvania, for having me here and for caring what we have to say in Kentucky. I'm not here because I'm going to tell you to vote for or pass a law or to support a law or a legislator. I'm just here so that you're fully informed when making a decision. As stated, as the representative stated, we passed this in 2018 in Kentucky. I will tell you now, the entire bar was not happy about it. As judges, we were not happy about it. This law passed right before I took the bench. And the fear was not because we thought dads would get more time. The fear was, is it going to be bad for these kids to be bounced around each day or every 2 days or every week from home to home? And the reality is, what we've seen now is the decrease in litigation. We've seen more parents working together and making decisions that are best for their child because of one reason: they have equal power in their role as parents. Because unfortunately, without this presumption, we had an assumption in Kentucky that one parent had more power than the other. And that's often how we saw things work out. Now, when there's shared parenting, you have to work together to trade days when you're sick or when the other parent is sick or when you can't get the child to a soccer practice or can't get the child to another event. It's been a blessing to see some of my friends even relocate because the other parent needed to relocate for a job, so they went too, so that they could remain equal and shared parents, doing what was best for their child and making the decisions not on their own best interest, but we had given them the room to make those decisions on the best interest of their child, as the U.S. Supreme Court required in Troxel versus Granville in 2000. So I just want you to take a look at this, consider it. If you have questions about how things have gone in Kentucky, there's a lot of information concerning the decline in divorce rates. But I can say that in my own courtroom, I've seen the conversations change. The conversations are no longer as angry, as bitter as they once were. They start with, I know they're a good parent, but this is what I think is best for our child, and here's where we disagree. It helps to focus the argument on what's best for the child as opposed to slinging mud from parent to parent. But let's face it, if you told me I was only going to get every other weekend and one night a week with my child, I'd come in there slinging all the mud possible because I wouldn't want to spend that time away from my child. And that's why it's important that we have the equal power here. Not just equal time, it's about the equal power in the courtroom. And that's what helps us settle cases and let parents make the decisions that are best for their children. So, thank you.